Do you like bananas? Then try this. Ultimate banana bread. This recipe never fails. Here's what we need. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 cup softened butter, 1 cup brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 1/3 cups mashed bananas, 8x4 loaf pan, mixing bowls, wire cooling rack, whisk, non-stick cooking spray. Directions: preheat oven to 350 degrees. Spray loaf pan with a non-stick spray, inside the bottom only. Combine flour, baking soda, salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon in a small mixing bowl. Whisk to combine. Mash the bananas in another bowl. Whisk the butter, sugar, eggs, and extract into the mashed bananas. Add dry ingredients into the wet ones. Whisk together until well combined. Pour batter into the prepared loaf pan. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes until a toothpick stuck in the middle comes out clean. Do not overbake. Cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Remove from pan and cool on a wire cooling rack for 10 minutes. Slice with a serrated edge or bread knife. Enjoy your ultimate banana bread. So easy and tasty. Tips: freeze some slices. Once cooled, slices can be individually wrapped in wax paper and placed in a freezer bag. Thaw a slice in the refrigerator or on the countertop. If you enjoyed this video and found it to be helpful, please be sure to like and comment on it. Watch this channel and be notified for more great, easy, and tasty food ideas. Let's eat! Thanks for watching.